Hello. Today we are going to be baking. I'm going to make a vanilla cake to like trial run decorating because I'm gonna make my birthday cake. It is May 20th. My birthday is on the 8th, but I'm having a party on the 6th that I'm making a cake for. So we will be using my stand mixer, but first we're gonna be using, we're just gonna have the bowl. I am following a recipe, so I'm not like this genius. This is from All Recipes and it's just like a basic vanilla cake. It's pretty small. I finally got containers for some of my stuff, so flour, but my sugar one, they all match. It's actual Tupperware brand, so I'm very excited about that too. But yeah, okay, let's get into it. I've never made cake from scratch, but you know, that's okay. I need 2 1/3 cups flour. One. I usually make I call for 9 minutes for scratch. Seriously, no? Sorry. Perfect. Then I need 1 1/2 cups sugar. And then I need baking powder. Surprisingly, this does not call for baking soda, which usually is the case. So I need 2 1/4 cup. Oh, not 2 1/4 cup. 2 1/4 teaspoon. This is a teaspoon. 1, 2. It says salt. I never add salt to recipes, but I will, I guess. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Ooh, it's preheated. 350. Okay. That's all the dry ingredients. I think I might bring this cake, if it turns out good, to my best friend's birthday party tomorrow. She might have another cake already, but that's okay. Let's add in the wet ingredients. I'm gonna add the eggs first. 3 large eggs. I didn't drop any eggshells, which is good. Okay. I hate the texture, but that's okay because we'll be fine. 3/4 cup milk and then 3/4 cup vegetable oil. A tablespoon of vanilla. It calls for 1 tablespoon. Now that I've done all the hard part, I'm gonna grab my freaking KitchenAid and make it beat it. We're gonna check that. Let's check her. I think we can stir it just a little bit more. Basically just checking the sides of it, making sure that they're in there. This is the pan. It says use a 9-inch pan. Well, this is 9 by 13, but I wanted to do like 2 little circles, like circular cakes, but I don't have circular pans. But hopefully I will before my birthday. And I'm just gonna pour this on in there. Making sure it's even. Beautiful. I'm putting it in the oven. 45 to 50 minutes. I'm gonna do 45. Shut the hell up! Hello again. I'm going to check. Ooh, cake stop. Toothpick. She's definitely done. Turn off the oven. Grab. Looks like a cake to me. How do you do this? Okay. We're gonna transfer her onto the cooling rack. And I need a knife, I think. Oh, she's like fully off of the... Let's do her. Okay. I need to stop saying okay and just do it. Never mind. Okay, fine. Perfect. Okay. There's a lot of cake crumbs, but you can't see them. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna let her cool for a little bit, and then we're gonna cut and frost. I forgot that I was supposed to be filming, but all I did was I cut it in half, and now I'm gonna saran wrap the halves and throw them in the fridge. Are perfectly saran wrapped. So I'm going to put them in the fridge. The cake is in there now. Now we wait for it to cool. Strawberries are required, so it's time to make the filling. So all it says, I think all I have to do is cut these up and boil them. Do we see how warm this is? Ooh, that does smell good. Okay. And I think you're supposed to put it in like a safe container. Okay, the cakes are now cold, so I'm gonna unwrap them. Now I understand concern if you are concerned about this. I am not. Now there's this thing I have to do called crumb coating. I'm trying to compensate for the unevenness of the cake. This is officially empty. I'm noticing something happening here. We're gonna put the second cake on. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna fix this, okay? Okay. I am currently waiting for whatever I just did to dry. Not dry, oh my gosh. To like chill, because all of the strawberry filling started spilling out of every single side. Hello again. Okay. She's been in the she's been in there for a while. You might be like, oh, I thought you put cream cheese frosting and not strawberry. I did. See right here. It came out. It just all came out. So now we're gonna have to make some more, which is fine. I guess I need to get some more anyway. You can use that. Okay. Oh no, we're back here. Okay. So yes. Ooh, our lovely cake, as you can see. That looks better. Okay, we are done regularly icing the cake. Now I need to get all this off the cake board because we're gonna put a border around it. It's messy, yes, but that's okay because I said so. I'm gonna try to do like that. Very scared. If I crash out, just leave me. We're gonna do like the head part first. But I have enough, so I'm gonna do a border with the red.
How's she looking, Rudy? Are you shooting your video?
What do you think?
Looks good. A crab?
Lobster.
Lobster.
I did not film an outro. There's the cake. Ah.